Hi everyone, this is Funny Trader. Today we are going to find out if it's possible to connect rapper Drake and trading. I decided to create some absurd investing strategies. I will attempt to link Drake's birthday, his album release dates, the dates of his tweets, the releases of his YouTube videos, and album titles to index and stock charts and test Drake's name for profitability. Watch to the end if you want to know how much money you could make if you just bought stock, DRAKE, and what kind of returns and strategy based on the date of Drake's new tweets would yield. First of all, let's make our chart nice and stylish, like Drake himself. He will probably help us earn money. I just found the first information I could find about his favorite colors. They were green and black. Like this. I like these colors. So, here we go. I plotted various data on the chart. Drake's birthday, album release date, YouTube video release date, Drake's tweets. I will show and tell you right off the bat that I couldn't come up with any strategy based on the release dates of video on Drake's YouTube channel, the date of his birth. Maybe you can do it. This is a chart of the S&P index. If I put the dates of Drake's tweets on the graph, you will see this. Should know that these are only Drake's tweets, not reposts. I came up with a very simple strategy: buy the index every time after the tweet is released the next day, and close the trade at the close of the trading session.
She know what she need, or she blessed, giving my best, yeah. I got my heart on my sleeve with a knife in my back. What's with that, 21, I love him, they're my brother, that's my stat, Metro made the beat, so you know that it's gon' slap, yeah, it's gon' slap, time, run it back. Talking to a diva, yeah, she on my nerves. She think that I need her, kick her to the curb.
You can now see the result of the trades from 2020. Since the beginning of 2020, I have 24 trades, 13 of them profitable and 11 unprofitable. That is 54% of profitable trades and 46% of losing trades. The average profitable trade amounted to plus 1.45%, the average losing trades 0.46%. The ratio of the average profitable trades to the average losing trades is 3.15, and that's very impressive. It's interesting to know that Drake did a great job of sitting out the Corona dump, and even managed to make money afterward. Give Drake likes for that. In total, we would have earned 13.68% to our deposit during this time. Not a bad statistic for Drake's tweets. Most strategists can't boost such results. Though the profit turned out to be very small for such a big period. It's almost 4 years. Now that's a bigger idea. Let's take the first letters of each album and find a stock or other trading instrument with that ticker. For example, we take Drake's first study album and the first letters of the title. The album is Thank Me Later, and therefore look for the TML ticker, and we do that with every album. It's unbelievable, but all the tickers were found. And yes, I'm including Drake's latest album For All the Dogs here. which was released in October 2023. This album corresponds to the ticker symbol FAD, which is First Trust Multi-Cap Growth Alpha DEX fund, which trades on the Nasdaq. So far, it's in a slight plus. By the way, I really like this album. How about you? The idea is to invest $1,000 every time a Drake album is released in an instrument, the ticker of which coincides with the first letters of a Drake album.
She on my nerves. She think that I need her. Kick her to the curb. All I know is you could have had the world. Had the world. Yeah, you were my. I came in with my ex like Selena, the flex. Bumping Justin Bieber, the fever and left. She know what she need. I need her. She blessed. Giving my best.
Let's make a table and get this result. Let's explore this table. The tickers match the album titles. We invest $1,000 in the asset. Here is the result to date, and here is how much money we would have left on our balance now. As a result, to date, we would have invested $8,000 in this way, and would have a profit of more than 100%. As we can see, the most profitable album was the 2011 year album called Take Care. It would have made over 780% profit to date. Honestly, without this trade, this strategy would not be interesting or profitable at all. This is all assuming that we would have held these trading instruments to this day. In the comments you can suggest another system of closing the trade. Perhaps it can be improved and made more profitable. And the third idea is to take the first letters of Drake's name and find the tickers of those stocks. You might be surprised, but they are all there.
Made the beat, so you know that it's gon' slap, it's gon' slap, tell him run it back.
All of these stickers contain just one letter, you can see. We will buy on the release date of Drake's first study album and compare the result with the S&P index and with the results of well-known investment funds. Let's take a look at the stock returns of this investment portfolio. You can see the result for each stock separately and for the whole portfolio. Total for the whole time such Drake strategy would bring us 97% of income. Whether this is a lot or not is up to you. I can only compare this result to the return of the S&P index and the result of the largest investment funds in the world. I found the 5 largest ETF companies in their charts. Let's take a look at the returns of each and put the data into a table. As you can see, our strategy did better than the results of 2 of the 5 largest investment funds in the world. What conclusions can we draw from this? I look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments. So, let's summarize the results of our research. The first strategy would have brought us almost 14% profit, where more than half of the trades were successful, and the profit-to-loss ratio was 3-to-1. The second long-term strategy based on the release date of Drake's album and the name of the album would have brought us more than 100% profit. And the third Drake investment strategy was also profitable and would have brought the investor almost 100% profit, which is more than results of hundreds of investment funds during the same time. Thousands of financial advisors advise you to make certain trades every day, but many of them lose in the long run. Our mock strategy would make more money than many investment funds and financial advisors. Think about it. Thanks to Drake. I look forward to your reactions and suggestions. Write in the comments who would like to see in the next video, what dependencies I may have missed, and what I can use in the future. Let's together make this section permanent and interesting. This is my first video. I really need your reaction. Please write feedback, what's bad, what's good, what can be improved.
What's with